Well, good evening. For the last year, the state's Democratic and Republican parties have been battling it out in the court system. The Republican Party argues the newest redistricting map is unlawful. News 13's Chandler Farnsworth spoke with both parties about the lawsuit.
In the latest update to the case, the New Mexico Supreme Court released an opinion this week, advising the district court to use a three-pronged legal test to determine if there is evidence of egregious partisan gerrymandering from the newest redistricting map.
They had one intention, not to represent the people of New Mexico, but to take away the Republican vote and the conservative vote. There are a lot of conservative Democrats.
In the opinion issued by the state Supreme Court, it stated that some level of gerrymandering is permissible, but that excessive gerrymandering dilutes the votes of the people. Republicans argue in the lawsuit that district boundaries were drawn by a Democratic-controlled legislature, which looked to dilute Republican voter strength in the state's 2nd district, which the Republican Party suggests traditionally favors GOP candidates.
If the court finds in our favor and agrees with us, then the procedure is for it to go back to the legislature, have the legislature redraw it.
New Mexico's Democratic Party, however, argues that the map was created through a nonpartisan process. In a statement, the party said, quote, "Crafting of the current maps followed a nonpartisan deliberative process that was informed and invited expert and public input from communities across the state, and subsequently went through the complete legislative process in committees and both chambers." The Supreme Court advised the lower court that to determine if the map is unlawful, the Republican Party must prove the map was created to purposefully dilute votes from the people who support them. Secondly, that it did in fact significantly dilute the votes. And lastly, if both are proven true, the government must also show nonpartisan justification towards the map. Chandler Farnsworth, KRQE News 13.
A district court in Lovington will hear the 3-day trial starting Wednesday.